You know your business inside and out, the process, the value, the details that make it work. But explaining that clearly to someone else is a different skill entirely. Add in dense slides, long emails, and cluttered charts, and the message people actually needed to hear gets buried under everything else. A custom whiteboard video turns that complexity into a simple story your audience can actually follow. Every video is built around your message, from strategy and script to storyboard, custom illustration, and animation. Then it works everywhere your audience is: your website, social channels, sales presentations, and campaigns. The result: a message that lands clearly, holds attention, and stays with people. Turn your next big idea into a clear, professional whiteboard video. Visit GHolmesDesigns.com today.